Bitcoin is standing at a massive crossroads. As we navigate through August 2026, we are seeing BTC hovering right around the $63,700 to $64,000 range. The market is incredibly cautious right now, and institutional money is waiting on the sidelines ahead of the upcoming US inflation data. Today we are breaking down exactly what level you need to watch, the bullish breakout scenario, and the support zone that must hold if we want to avoid a flush through the downsides. Let's look at the immediate technicals. We are seeing sellers aggressively defend the $65,000 level multiple times this month. Right now, our immediate structural support is sitting directly at the $63,200. If we lose that, we likely test $62,500 very quickly. On the flip side, we need sustained 4-hour candle close above the $64,500 resistance cluster to confirm any real upward momentum. If that clears, the pathway to $66,000 opens up immediately. It's a textbook range-bound market right now, which means patience is your best asset. Looking at the market sentiment, the fear and greed index is sitting deep in fear territory at around 37. Historically, this is where smart money slowly accumulates while retail traders panic. My strategy here is not to front-run the inflation news, but to have my orders ready and these key breakout and breakdown levels. Staggered accumulation and precise positioning is how you survive this shock. When Bitcoin finally breaks out of this range, execution speed is everything. That's where Trench.io comes into play. Trench.io gives you access to markets with up to 1,000-time leverage, trade stocks, crypto, future perpetuals, meme coins, and commodities all from one dashboard. With this, even a $10 deposit can turn into a $10,000 position. Just search the ticker, set your position size, and pick your leverage. It's that simple to get in a trade. You can fund your account instantly with USDC, and there's absolutely no KYC needed. No ID uploads, no waiting on approval. Hit the link on the top of my description below and use code GORILLA11 for a $20 deposit match on Trench.io. Scan the QR code in the screen right now to set up your account. By the way, Trench.io is running an affiliate program with a limited time offer, 14% lifetime commission off trading fees. Make sure to check it out using the link in the pinned comments down below. To summarize the game plan for the week, do not chase short-term wicks into resistance. Let the market shows its hand after the CPI data prints. If we lose $63,200, I'll be looking for a short-term setup targeting liquidity below. Stay disciplined, manage your risk tightly, and let the trade come to you. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.